headed on over to the National Naval Aviation Museum over here at the Tallahassee Naval Air Station. This is where the Blue Angels fly out of. Unfortunately, they're not practicing this time of year, so I'm not going to get to see them fly.
That is a lot of money. Oh look, somebody comes flying at you. Watch the screen.
Pretty cool. America's first Skylab, our first space station, launched in 1973. And this is the actual command module from it. A whole lot of room to move around in that command module. This place is pretty cool. What do you think, Michaela?
I think this place is actually really cool. I've been wanting to come to one of these types of places for a while now, actually.
Well, we're going to be seeing a lot of stuff like this.
There's quite a few models in here that I haven't seen before, actually.
Yeah, we're going to see a lot of this stuff in our full-time travels.
I'm excited, because I've been the one that's been asking to go to a museum for so long now.
Pretty cool setup.
You hit your head on it.
Jungle. Recreation of a jungle base. There's the A-bomb. Hopefully not an original one. Hopefully it's just a model.
I hope it's only.
Delivers its first attack. War with Japan.
Pretty cool model. USS Enterprise.
While USS Enterprise is the supercarrier.
Not the one from Star Trek either. The optical landing system mirror.
Coming out of frame. It's very
It's almost like a mirror at a carnival. Feeling sick, Mom?
No.
Checking out sick bay. Oh, so this is
I mean, I do have a cold.
this is where my grandfather would have been when he was in the Navy. He was a photographer, so he would have been in the photo lab. Not only did he do the pictures, but he was also the guy in charge of what movies they're going to watch each week. There you go, Riley. You'd be a parachute packer, parachute loft.
Mom would die.
It's a pretty cool setup. Check this out. It's a representation of a little town in the 1940s. Get your hair cut, Riley.
Sorry. Honey, I'm gonna look in here quick. Welcome to Home Fry. This is in 40.
It's been about 40 years since I've seen him. I still don't see him. I see Junior. Oh, I see him back there. He's got some big sailor in front of him. Very
They
good.
call him Dad.
It's so great to read. I appreciate all of you. Appreciate all of you. Thank you.
Riley, you look a little short in there.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Too many buttons.
I thought you liked buttons.
You look even shorter.
What do you think, Michaela?
It's actually a lot bigger in here than I thought it was.
Tight squeeze?
Not
You
really.
gotta put your feet forward on the pedals. Hold the stick. What? You can't reach the pedals?
No.
Nope, did I miss it?
Good job, Dad.
Walk right by it. Gotta wait to Mom. Wait to Mom, Michaela, before you go in.
Scary.
This way?
You have to come forward.
You can sit there.
No, there's no seats.
Ow.
What do you guys think? You always sound so excited.
It wasn't that intense.
See, I think Mom could have handled that one. She wouldn't have got seasick on that.
Yeah.
Or motion sick.
All All you do is this.
Yeah, she would have handled that one very
Well,
well.
from the outside, it didn't look like you were moving very much.
We weren't.
We really weren't.
It's pretty cool though.
Dude.
Good Chinook up there. Replica of the Apollo lander. Lunar rover. It'd be pretty cool to drive that thing in low gravity situation, don't you think? I wonder what the top speed was.